the equation x squared minus 4kx plus y squared minus 4y plus 8 equals k cubed minus k is the equation of a circle, okay, for which values of k. All right. So my thought here is we need to do a couple things. One is we need to put everything that depends on x and y into the correct form for the equation of a circle. So, you know, x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. But then we also need to make sure that the right-hand side is strictly positive, because otherwise you're thinking about circles with non-positive radius or non-complex radius or something like that. Okay, let's write this expression down. X squared minus 4kx plus y squared minus 4y plus 8 is equal to k cubed minus k. So first, let's write this as x squared minus 4kx, and I want to write plus, what do I want to write here? 4k squared minus 4k squared plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 minus 4 plus 8 is equal to k cubed minus k. So this is x minus 2k squared minus 4k squared. I've just factored that, plus y minus 2 squared minus 4 plus 8 is equal to k cubed minus k. Okay, let's rearrange this now. So I have k cubed minus k plus 4k squared minus 8 plus 4. So the left-hand side, there's nothing wrong with that. That can always be the correct form for a circle for any value of k. But on the right-hand side, we need this to be positive. Let's simplify it a little bit. K cubed plus 4k squared minus k minus 4. Okay. This looks like it factors, right? This right-hand side is k squared times k plus 1. K plus 4 minus k plus 4. So that's equal to k squared minus 1 times k plus 4. K plus 1, k minus 1, k plus 4. Okay, so I don't care about anything here anymore. I only want this to be positive. And so either there's three cutoff points here, right? Let me draw a number line. So if k is, oh, hold on, that's not the appropriate number line. That's not what I want. Or those aren't the points that I am interested in, at least. We're interested in -4, -1, and 1. Okay, so if k is up here, everything works, of course. All three of those terms are positive. If k is here, then if k is here, then k minus 1 is negative. The other two are positive. If k is here, then k minus 1 is negative and k plus 1 is negative. Maybe I can just, for clarity, we can put 0 in there. I don't know if that really helps. So the good regions, the regions that work, are there and there. And the regions that don't work are there. So we have good and bad. So the answer should be k strictly greater than 1 or k strictly between -4 and -1. Let's see if that's one of the options given. Yeah, that's option B. Yeah, I'm pretty confident in that. You know, I worked it out directly without using any of the options and ended up with one of the options. And they're all pretty, you know, it's a pretty complicated looking condition that you need, or it's not something you're going to stumble upon accidentally. So I don't think, it's unlikely I made any mistakes. Yeah, you know, I guess the things to realize here are putting things into the proper form for the equation of a circle is probably the best thing to do. So this requires knowledge of how to complete the square. And you're going to want to keep track of all the operations you do, because you know all of these sort of leftover terms from completing the square, you've got to keep track of those. And then realizing, of course, that the right-hand side has to be strictly positive. Otherwise, you don't get a circle. Nice little problem. If I have any mistakes, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.